nice day. Look at the weather. Sunny, virtually no clouds in the sky. Really, really just an amazing place to be. And these kayaks, oh wow! I kind of wish I had got kayaks years ago. We've been talking about it forever and a day, pretty much. And oh, look at that, beautiful. What's that? An ibis, bin chicken. Is what we call them. No, white egret. Oh, look at that. Probably can't see it now with the GoPro too far away. Might pedal down there and see if we can find a beautiful birds, those white egrets. But yeah, now I've had this kayak. I've been down here a couple of times and I love it. It's so relaxing out here. It really is, you know. How do I put it? You feel like you're doing something. You're getting fit. You're enjoying the outdoors. The weather's just perfect for it, and it's not overly taxing. Honestly, this kayak is quite stable. I did feel like I was going to fall over before, but it certainly uprighted itself well when I dug in deep to turn quickly, and it started to tip, and it kept its balance. So that's good sign. I don't think I'll stay out here too long because I have put a bit of sunscreen on my legs, but I haven't put that much sunscreen on my legs, and it's quite warm at the moment. Anyway, let's go for a bit of a paddle. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, we're gonna crash!